Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all, participants, facilitators, and panelists. I am overwhelmed to be part of this 10th International Conference on Entrepreneurship, Business, and Technology. My name is Fahim Ahmed Sheikh, and I am a PhD student and have done my MS in Project Management, MBA in Marketing, Diploma in Healthcare and Hospital Management, and a certificate in Project Management. Currently, I am working as a coordinator in Pakistan, one of the leading tertiary care hospitals. And today, I will be presenting on improving quality healthcare services by implementing Lean Six Sigma DMIC approach in Pediatric Cardiology Department of Public Hospital of Sindh. My co-authors are Dr. Abdul Sattar, Dr. Mutasim Tufail, and Dr. Hussain Baksh. Before diving deep into the presentation, I would like to give a little introduction about Six Sigma and a Lean Six Sigma. The Six Sigma approach was developed by a Motorola company in 1980s. Six Sigma is a set of tools and strategies for problem solving and process improvement, according to a more typical definition. Lean Six Sigma is used to improve quality, processes, services, and customer satisfaction in organizations since its establishment. Let's understand the healthcare system of Pakistan. Doctor to patient ratio in Pakistan is 1 to 1300. The doctor to nurse ratio is 1 to 2.70. And nurse to patient ratio is 1 to 20. International finances for a health system, which states an average figure of $86 per person should be spent. And later the bar was set to $271 per person. Pakistan overall spends $45 per person on health, while Iran spends $484 and Qatar spends $1,716 per capita, of which 20 to 40% of spending is being wasted, of huge inefficiencies in the healthcare sector. My research objectives are to see how Lean Six Sigma can improve the stream in the hospitals, to investigate potential challenges and constraints to Lean Six Sigma deployment in the cardiac hospital's pediatric cardiology department, to outline solutions to major problems faced by public hospitals of Pakistan, to enhance awareness for services improvements in hospitals of Pakistan. And the significance of a study is to understand and measure the performance of public hospitals under Lean Six Sigma, to enhance awareness of Lean Six Sigma DMIC approach in hospitals of Sindh, to entice researchers to do further research, to demonstrate the value of Lean Six Sigma in the healthcare industry. Very few has looked into the implementation of Lean Six Sigma in Pakistan's healthcare sector, especially in Sindh. This is the literature review of Lean Six Sigma implementation in most of the hospitals. I have few listed over here. One is Iran, India, Bangladesh, China, and US. The methodology that is used in this research is DMIC problem solving technique, which drives Lean Six Sigma. It's a 5 phases technique: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Define, basically PCT team discuss and fill the improvement chances by implementing voice of patient and voice of hospital tool. In measure phase, a cause and effect matrix, important causes driving longer reaction times and mismanagement were identified through fishbone diagram. Through fishbone diagram and doing a Delphi technique and brainstorming, we identified 25 factors that are mostly and that has high probability on patient satisfaction. And these 25 factors are taken under the umbrella of 3 major factors, which are general factor, structure and physical, patient-centered care. In methodology, we have also used Kano model to to measure the performance of patients, either they are satisfied or dissatisfied, to which we have taken the must-be attributes, one-dimensional attributes, attractive attributes, independent attributes, and reverse. To measure satisfaction and dissatisfaction, we have implemented two equations. In results, a total sum of 100 people were enrolled, from which 18% were patients and 82% were attendants from outpatient and inpatient departments of PCD. Patients whose stay was 3 days and more in hospital were carried from inpatient, and patients, those who came in their follow-up, were carried from OPD. 96% were married, 4% were single, 16% were 18 to 25 years of age, and 21% were 26 to 35 years of age, 30% were 36 to 45 years of age, 18% were 46 to 55 years of age, 15% were 56 years and older. 22% were illiterate, 14% were intermediate, 26% were graduated, 38% were masters and PhD, 13% were students, 44% were government employees, 19% were working in the private sector, 11 were retired, and 13 marked as others. We identified, after concluding the results, that advanced radiology services such as MRI, obstacle-free facilities undertake error-free administrative tasks, accurate record, ease in making appointment, clean and hygienic appearance, convenient arrival, quick response by doctor, and friendliness and respectfulness of a clinic receptionist were the 9 must-be attributes. We identified that advanced laboratory services such as cultures, computerized services were the 2 one-dimensional attributes. And the attractive attributes were lifts and escalators, hot and fresh water availability, effectiveness in handling complaints, state-of-the-art equipment, visually appealing facilities through sterilization and instrument, examination explained by doctors, friendliness and respectfulness of nurses and laboratory staff. Doctors can explain disease and treatment in detail, and doctors can listen to details of the patient's condition. And we identified that employee uniform and employee appearance and well-dressed staff were the 2 indifferent attributes. On conclusion, this research is that serving of a quality services is critical in hospital industry. Hospital industry has changed its dimension from diagnosis to complete total patient satisfaction. In order to achieve the objective, this study sets objective to identify the critical variables that can enhance the overall patient satisfaction in hospital industry. Considering that the study identified 3 critical factors that are essential for any hospital to provide quality service. The study adopted the Lean Six Sigma process enhancement methodology to identify the critical service factors in a hospital. Lean Six Sigma is a flexible problem-solving tool and provide the comprehensive solution of any problem. DMIC processes enhancement methodology is used to define, measure, analyze, improve, and control the overall experience in hospital. To accomplish the desired objective, critical to quality was defined and represented by SICO methodology. After filtration through cause and effect analysis, 3 core dimensions and 25 sub-dimensions of a critical quality were identified. The impact of these 25 dimensions were evaluated and prioritized using Corner model of patient satisfaction, which identifies the most critical service required. This study is the initiate in service quality improvement of a hospital industry. In future, this technique can be modified and adopted by different public hospitals to enhance the practical implementation. I thank you all, and we are open for questions and answers.